Get ready to have your mind blown, as today we are covering 15 tools on Amazon that are in a league of their own. These are not your ordinary gadgets. These are smart, powerful, and ingeniously designed solutions that make DIY, home improvement, and everyday tasks a lot easier and way more satisfying. From game-changing innovations to underrated gems you've never seen before, each tool on this list brings something unique to the table. So sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your toolkit with some next-level gear. Number 1. Koken Set. The Koken Impacto Nut. Mounting set is designed for professionals and car enthusiasts looking for durability and accuracy. Constructed from high-quality, wear-resistant metal, these impact bits are built to withstand repeated heavy use. It includes 3 of the most common sizes, 17mm, 19mm, and 21mm each, color-coded for easy identification. Weighing 23.2 ounces, the bits feature a universal round mount, compatible with most screwdrivers and impact tools, making them highly versatile in any garage or workshop. Extra tough and reliable under pressure, these bits have been designed to tighten and loosen wheel nuts. The rubberized coating protects the wheel rim from scratches during installation, and each bit is clearly marked with its size for fast, mistake-free work. Number 2. Stubby. The Stubby nozzle is a compact and efficient accessory designed for the Milwaukee M18 fuel blower. It is just 8 inches in length, some 14.5 inches shorter compared with the length of a standard blower, making it ideal for reaching into tight and hard-to-reach areas. Its narrow opening focuses the airflow to a dense stream, allowing the user to speed through tasks such as drying your car after a wash or blowing off dirt. Printing in high-quality PETG plastic suitable for 3D printing, this is a durable and reliable nozzle. Installation couldn't be faster and easier. Just attach or remove it in one smooth motion. You get precision, convenience, and improved performance with the Stubby nozzle in a compact design that enhances every blowing task. Number 3. Drill Bit Grinder. The Huanyu Portable Drill Bit Grinder is a powerful and precise tool for keeping your drill bits razor sharp. Operating on 110-volt mains power with a 1 ampere current, it delivers 5,300 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for HSS steel bits. The sharpener uses a durable CBN grinding wheel, which can be easily replaced with a wrench when needed. Equipped with 11 ER20 colettes, it ensures stable and accurate grinding, while the adjustable setting pin allows for customizable sharpening angles. Users can choose from 4 preset angles or set a specific angle themselves. Its low-noise copper wound motor with excellent heat dissipation guarantees reliable performance. Weighing 18.7 pounds, this sharpener combines precision, efficiency, and durability for any workshop. Number 5. Telescopic Ladder. The Socktone Telescopic Ladder is a practical and handy tool for homeowners and construction projects. Designed to be highly portable, this compact foldable ladder weighs only 22 pounds when folded and is easy to carry with one hand or put in the trunk. Fully extended, the ladder can reach a height of 12.5 feet safely, with non-slip feet and base stabilizers when standing. The maximum deviation in the top section during operation is no more than 10 degrees. Number 6. Metabo Die Grinder. The Metabo Die Grinder, GVPB, is a high-performance tool designed for precision and durability. Having a powerful rotational speed of 28,000 revolutions per minute, it can easily handle a wide range of tasks. The adjustable speed feature adds versatility. VTC technology ensures stable performance under varying loads. With the help of a brushless motor, the grinder provides consistent power and has a high safety margin for demanding jobs. Its ergonomic design minimizes fatigue when in use for extended periods, making it comfortable to use for long sessions. The spindle lock makes quick changes of accessories possible, and it comes with a convenient switch that allows for easy motor shutdown. It comes with an easy-to-clean filter to protect the motor from dust and keeps it reliable for a long time. This die grinder is designed to do the job efficiently and safely to professional satisfaction. Number 7. Skill Drain Cleaner. The Skill Power Snake is compact, efficient, and ready to get the job done for homeowners and pros alike. It runs on a 20-volt lithium battery with a 2.0 amp-hour capacity, offering cordless convenience and enhanced mobility to reach tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Weighing just 7.54 pounds, the device is lightweight yet powerful enough to clear clogs in pipes from 3/4 to 2 inches in diameter. Its durable 1/4 inch, 25-foot carbon steel cable feeds and retracts automatically, with adjustable speed control for precision. The cleaner also features a stable foot for securing it on flat surfaces. Equipped with a 30-watt charging station, this Skill Power Snake brings together portability, power, and reliability for fast, effective cleaning of pipes. Number 8. Homax Sprayer System. The Homax TexPro Texture System. Sprayer applies smooth, even textures to walls and ceilings quickly and efficiently. Designed for speedier finishing work, it saves considerable time over traditional methods. Weighing just 14 pounds, it is lightweight and easily maneuverable, allowing long hours of use without fatigue. For small to mid-sized surfaces, the sprayer will handle light, simple textures, or heavier, more complex finishes. This dual-handle sprayer allows for comfort in weight distribution and accurate application. Specially designed cartridges make refilling quick and easy. The system comes complete with a carrying case for portability and storage. The Homax TexPro sprayer marries speed, versatility, and ease of use for professional quality results. Number 9. Cable Stapler. The Klein Tools. Cable stapler is a professional-grade tool designed for rapid and effective on-site installation of wires, including network and fiber optic cables. Manufactured from premium cast aluminum with an impact-resistant coating, it provides strength and performance. The stapler holds 2 sizes of staples, 13/64 and 19/32 of an inch staples. The handling and usage are similar to a regular stapler, but with a push on the handle instead, reducing user fatigue over long periods. Its magazine holds up to 20 staples, and the tool itself weighs just 1.67 pounds, making it light and easy to operate. A convenient clip on the body allows attachment to your clothing, allowing easy access at all times to the stapler. It is perfect for professionals in pursuit of efficiency, comfort, and dependability. Number 10. ESA BES 200i. The ESA BES 200i, better known as the Renegade Volt, is designed to be a jack-of-all-trades in the welding machine world, suitable for both professional and amateur use. It is powered by 4 12-volt DeWalt batteries, although the ability to operate on mains or AMP plus hybrid mode is also an option, where extra performance is required. Powered by batteries, it will deliver 140 ampere and mains operation up to 200 ampere with an efficiency of 80% and a power factor of 0.99 at maximum current. The welder is protected by a more robust housing, with a carrying handle for convenience and with a side compartment for easy access to batteries. The smooth current regulation and crystal clear indication allow for very precise control. Copper plus and minus cables provide reliable conductivity, making the ESA BES 200i a durable portable solution. Number 11. Lifting Clamps. The Beam Nova. Lifting clamp is a heavy-duty and reliable implement used in the safe lifting and transportation of sheet metal by a crane or any other similar equipment. Constructed from high-quality alloy steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, it is able to handle as much as 4,400 pounds, ensuring strength and durability for long-term use. It features a flexible, adjustable opening ranging from 0 to 1.18 inches, which can accommodate various material thicknesses. Operations are pretty simple and easy to manage, just a few movements, and the load is securely fixed. It maintains a strong grip during lifting and transportation for maximum safety. The Beam Nova lifting clamp provides the required strength, convenience, and reliability for professional applications in handling sheet steel, steel plates, structural assembly, welding, machining, and cutting. Number 12. Cable Protector. The Wilbond Cable Grip is a practical and effective cable management solution for your home and office. This cable protector is made of durable nylon, is perfect for use on carpeting, and is securely fastened with Velcro on any kind of carpet pile. A 3.94-inch wide roll can hold up to 5 standard wires, and the 9.84 foot length can be cut to fit almost any space. To install it, simply lay the cables flat and secure them with the organizer. It doesn't just hide tangled wires, but prevents your cables from snagging or getting damaged. Lightweight, easy to remove, and simple to clean, it's a combination of convenience with function for a safer, neater management of cables. Number 13. Nailer Hilti. The Hilti GX3. Nailer is a powerful and efficient tool. It can fasten special nails into materials such as brick, steel, concrete, and other moderately hard surfaces. Unlike traditional nailers, the Hilti GX3 does not require batteries or mains power. Rather, its energy is supplied from a compressed gas canister, sufficient for approximately 1,000 nails per canister. The inbuilt magazine holds 40 nails, making it perfect for work in tight or inaccessible areas. The unit has an ergonomic design and light construction, weighing only 8.5 pounds, which makes it comfortable to handle for extended use. A built-in gas level indicator allows timely replacement of the canister, while the Hilti GX3 nailer provides speed, precision, and dependability for professional construction and installation tasks. Number 14. Makita Cordless Rivet. The Makita Cordless Rivet tool is a powerful and versatile solution for professional riveting tasks. Powered by an 18-volt, 5.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, it features a brushless motor that delivers a pulling force of 10 kN, making it effective with rivets up to 3/16 of an inch in diameter. The tool handles a wide range of materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, and is capable of both hammering and pulling rivets. With a maximum power of 350 watts, it combines strength and efficiency. Weighing 18.11 pounds, the ergonomic design and low-vibration brushless motor ensure comfortable, fatigue-free operation. The set includes 2 batteries, a charging station, and a carrying case, making it a complete, ready-to-use package for any riveting job. Number 15. Fiskars XA2. The Fiskars XA2 12-inch hook is a versatile and efficient tool in woodworking and log handling. It is shaped to move with comfort and control, with a high-quality plastic handle, and is designed to easily move small to medium logs. Made of steel, the head is slightly curved, pointed, and with teeth to quickly penetrate into the wood for firmly holding the log while moving it. Its clever design means minimal effort is required when removing the hook, thus quickening the log handling process. The hardened steel blade ensures that the tool remains durable for a long period, even under heavy usage. Lightweight construction also reduces hand fatigue. Suitable for both professional and home use, the Fiskars XA2 brings together strength, precision, and comfort all in one tool. And that's a wrap on 15 tools on Amazon that are truly on another level. From clever gadgets to powerful gear, these tools make every project easier and more fun. If you love these picks, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which tool you'd add to your collection next.